Hi guys, welcome back, and just gonna start off at Ethereum today. We're on 2011.81, up 6.5%. Let's just take a look. So here's the chart here. This is the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, you've staircased down here, done a big wick there, gone back up, dropped down again. This is the last line I have um, here. So it looks like we're going to go up from here, nice and steady here. I'm going to just take it to the 2 hour now. We'll just take it down to the 2 hour. Let's have a look at the 2 hour. See, the 2 hour is still the same, guys. Yeah, we're on an upwards trend at the moment here. I know the wick has come back past this blue trend line going up, but as I said, from around the 20, what was it? That last moon change, we are on the up. So it's hit that a couple of times. It might come back and hit it, but we are going up. So what I mean is that I'll draw it out for you. We might go something like this is right. So we might go here when come on, when you're ready. We might go something like that. Bounce, yeah, bounce, yeah, and then here is the decision making time. Will we go up here, bounce back off this trend line and start heading up, or will we do this one where we will come back down here like so? We just follow it off that last touch point there, come back down, try again, and come back down for one last dip here in Ethereum. So that's the two waves there that I'm thinking which could happen for Ethereum here. So yeah, my laptop is still playing up, but I'll just put that in for you so you can see what's happening to Ethereum. So at the moment, guys, it's all looking good. We are on the up. Hopefully, we don't pass this aqua blue trend line here. We keep going up. Okay, let's just go straight into Omikami now, because I know that's what everybody wants to hear and see. Let's see what's happening with Omikami. I did say the last video that we're on the rise, so let's just have a look here. And we are on 25.13 million. I think it was on 24 last time, but we're on 25 now. So we've gone up. 972 liquidity, 11.12k holders. So that's going up because it was 1111. I remember that. And 104k in volume. So this is the daily. You can see we're still going down and it's still a bit of a mess. But I'll just take you straight to the 2 hour now, or we can go through to the 4 hour and then the 2 hour, whatever my laptop decides it wants to do. And at the moment, I don't want to do anything. Yep, here we are. So we'll go down to the 4 hour first, and I'll just take you along here. So here we are. Let me just take this noise, this Fibonacci out, because it's better with the black background, as you can see. So here, so from down here, yeah, it was around the 28th of February. Yeah, that's what I was going to say earlier. We are going in an upwards trend. Come back down, going back up then, sold off again, and sold off on that. Look at that. You see that yellow? So look, let me just put this on the yellow so you can see it better. So see this thick yellow trend line going up that I marked? That was the one I was saying hopefully we don't go underneath. We did go underneath. We came on top. Now we're bounced back off it. You see that there? The wick came down and it's come back right back up, right above that there at 2654. Yeah. So that yellow trend line, we do have to watch that ever so carefully while Omikami is on the up. As I said, there's a lot of Jeets in here. You know, they see a little pump and they want to do a dump. They see a little pump, they want to do a dump. But all those who got Omikami held in their bags like me and you, we're going to just hold on, let them go in and out. and we'll just watch this staircase up. So yeah, on the outlook on this one, we're just well, we'll keep it on the 4 hour. If we follow this yellow thick trend line, should be going up straight up here. I've just moved that straight up here to this top ending point here at roughly, I'm not going to say exactly, I'll say roughly here, guys, um, here, around here, because this orange squiggly line, remember, that was my prediction around, let's say, 14th, 15th, 16th, somewhere like there. That could be heading back down once it meets that thick main trend line, yellow trend line coming down, or this white one. I've got two here, so anywhere around in this vicinity, yeah. Um, and it can still keep going up. I still do have more trend lines coming down. So it's just for something for you to keep an eye on. But as long as we're in the upwards trend here, as you can see here, yeah, as long as we're in the upwards trend, this thick yellow trend line going up, that's the one we want to watch, yeah? That's the one we want to watch, this thick yellow trend line going up, guys. And remember, as I said, around, let's take this off as well, around from say from I'm going to say from the 14th, um, something could happen. We could reach this, come back down, or head back up. So let me just this color is not good for that. So let me just put a different color in. I'll just put something like that in. That is the downward trend that it could do here on Omikami. So if you want to know why I'm saying this area around the 14th onwards, let's take you to the calendar now. So the calendar, yeah, right, around the 14th of March is the full moon, yeah, full moon 14th of March. So that's going to be its highest or lowest point. And so at the moment, it looks like if we go back, yeah, the 14th will be the highest point, 14, 15. You know, give it a day or so before and a day or so behind, that might reach its highest point if we keep on going up here, this yellow thick trend line. So once it reaches here, I could see it coming back down because I said we still have that major last dump. Once it reaches, I know people think it's down here, but it's not. It's once it reaches the thick main trend line here, there's going to be a really, really big dump down here um, because I'll ignore that because I'm on here. Um, because down here we have our magnet lines here, still two, one at around 1641 and the next one at 1552. So look at that, guys. That is a point we have to still be well aware of here on Omikami. And as I said to you, that we just have to keep an eye on this yellow thick trend line going up, and hopefully we can pass that. But if we don't, here in this section around the 14th of March, we'll be heading back down. So that's it for Omikami. Now let's look at Ryujin once I get this phone. Okay, guys, now back with Ryujin here. I just had to get off that call. So, right, so yeah, this is the 4 hour. Let's zoom in and see what's happening down here in Ryujin. And remember, it's now 7.27 million market cap. It went down to 6 roughly, and it's 485k liquidity, 9.5k holders, 62.98k in volume. So let's see what's happening right down here. So as we have it here, I'll just show you what's going on here. So on the 4 hour, like Omikami, we've headed up here to a point, and That was the 2nd of March. We came up to roughly 7839, and then we head back down, and now we're coming back up again. So this, I've made this trend line here. If you can see it, I just make it much thicker, much brighter for you guys, and we'll just put it on green. So, well, we'll put it on something like, yeah, that will have to do. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that on the green, yeah. So here, if we follow it, because it is bouncing, it is bouncing here. You see, it's bounced, that wick here is hit that, come back up, sold off, hit that, because we're going to go up, and it's going to keep on going up as we have this upwards trend momentum here. Yeah, so we just need to follow it and see where it's heading here. So I've got my marker here, that's the 7th of March. Let's just take this and see where we're heading right here on Ryujin. Now, I just want to show you the big picture here before we get right into it here. So this is the daily now. Let me just squeeze this down. Okay, because I just wanted to verify this here. This thick, we want to verify that thick main trend line here. Yeah, so the thick main trend line is this one here, this blue one here, and I'll do that as thick as possible so you can see, right? So that's coming from the top, from its highest high, and it's coming all the way down. And I've got right at the bottom here are these three uh, lower magnet points here in Ryujin. But let's just remember that thick blue trend line is the one that it has to go over and retest before that God candle. So let's just go straight into that 2 hour and see where it might go here on Ryujin. We'll zoom in close to this and we'll have a look. So at the moment we have reached its peak here. See that blue thick main trend line? It has reached its peak here. So I said earlier, yeah, that from here we could be going back down this pink squiggly line here, or we could go back up. So here I will continue what I've said earlier. We will go, we could go up from here like that, come back down, not have enough buying pressure, try again, that's a no-no, and then start to head back down, something like this here to the 14th, and it could be lower, it could be the opposite of Omikami here. So I'll just do that one in this color here. So that is a continuation of this one. But yeah, once it's reached its high here, I could see it actually coming back down. And the date is today the 5th. So the 5th, it's a Wednesday, 5, 9. Um, yeah, so the 9th, 8th, and 9th, it could be coming back down because that's the Sunday night, Monday morning, guys. It could be heading back down here. So we will take this one out, not to confuse you, because that didn't happen. Well, straight away anyway. It might happen now in the coming week. Yeah, we could be heading back down. I cannot see this, in my opinion. Yeah, coming from here, going up, and just maybe dipping and keep on staircasing up because it's too early, guys. As I've mentioned before, it's too early for the breakout. Yeah, we all want them to go up, but it is actually too early for the pump that we're all looking for here in Ryujin and Omikami. So, in my opinion, guys, I don't think it's going to do this come up and yeah, go straight up here. Um, it's too early. Yeah, I think it's still too early. I still, if we put this in a bigger picture here on the daily here, we just come down here. on the daily. Let's stretch this out here for you to see. Here, look at that, guys. That my lines here. Imagine if it to go up here. I mean, it could go up and come back down and then bounce off. We'll put that one in, yeah. We'll put that one in just in case. We'll put that one just in case. So we could go here, come back down here, and then bounce off here. But I still think no, that is too early in my eyes, and we will attempt to go down here, maybe bounce it off once more, and then head in this direction to take these last few magnet lines out here before then we go up. So the date for that, um, as I said before, yeah, around the end of March, yeah, the end of March, we could be looking at Ryujin and Omikami to pump. Okay, so that's it for the moment on Omikami and Ryujin. Yeah, so what I did buy was this spell token. Yeah, spell token, as you can see, it's come down. It's come past the bottom magnet line here, so it's looking to consolidate here on the bottom, and before it goes back up here, like so. Um, yeah, that spell token. That's the one I bought. Um, another one was this one. I don't know if I told you about it. Yeah, Bizoji Earth. It's on Weave. It's a very old one, but just something I've always been looking at. 205k in market cap, liquidity 137. 205k market cap, 137 liquidity. That has hit the bottom now. Um, I've got workers working outside now, so it's it's a bit noisy. So I'll have to finish this. Yeah, it's reached the bottom now, and this one's going up also. So I'm in this one, another one I bought here on the Hanson Boss. So keep writing in, guys, and I look forward to all your comments, and I'll see you back here real soon. Peace.